Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the H7 Smartwatch, and on this video we are going to explore or have a demo of the Bluetooth phone call of this wearable. Previously we do have the push notifications. This time we'll try and have a demo of the Bluetooth phone call. So we have a dial pad, contacts, we will add contacts later on, and we have the call history. So if you are interested to see on how the Bluetooth phone call works with the H7 smartwatch, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's start and have a demo of the Bluetooth phone call. We are already paired with the H7 Fit application, as you can see here. So let's set the Bluetooth phone call. We are already connected. Turn on call reminder, show contact information. Okay, pair the Bluetooth here, then go back, go to phone book. Let's add a number, import. Let's add these two numbers here, or contact numbers, then synchronize. Let's see if our smartwatch switched to synchronization mode, and it's now synchronizing. Okay, so seems like it's already set. Let's see, phone book, contacts, and we have it here. Now that the contacts is already here, so it seems like everything is okay. Let's start and have the Bluetooth phone call. Okay, we have here our other smartphone. Let's try to call first. Let's see if we can receive a call here on the wearable. Call. If the connection is okay, we'll be able to receive a call here, as you can see. Okay, it's not just notification, but you can also answer the call here. And call. And that's it. Next, let's try the phone book here. We have the contacts. Let's call back to Sam. And let's see. And we have here. Okay, so we have an incoming call. And call. Next, let's see the call history, and we have here the call history. You can also call directly here on the call history. Okay, we have the contacts, the call history, and we have the dial pad. So let's try the dial pad here. We have Sam here. Let's dial the phone number 0969, then next 615839 and 9. Let's dial the number, and if everything works, we can also receive the call here. As you can see, we do have an incoming call and call. Okay, again, call history. So seems like 3 of the features here for the Bluetooth phone call works. The last one before we end our demo, let's answer the call here on the smartwatch. Again, we will call Cindy. Then let's see if we can answer it here. So someone is calling. Let's answer the call. Hello? The Bluetooth phone call works for our smartwatch. And call. Okay, there's some feedback because of the proximity of the other phone, but as you can see here, the Bluetooth phone call works. We have a call history here, so it shows that we answered the phone call. Seems like the speaker and the mic is okay with our H7 smartwatch. Okay, so that's it for for the Bluetooth phone call demo of our H7 Smartwatch, Alexa Fit powered smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel, like, share, and subscribe.